Hello, wonderful math students. Today I am going to try something new, and that is to post my video to the YouTube and then try doing it on Google Classroom, answering the questions on Google Classroom. So I'm going to do the lesson here, and then the questions I have posted are on the Google Classroom. If you haven't joined already, I sent an invitation. If you need the class code because you deleted it, just email me or I can email them out today. Okay, so today I would like to review with you writing equations from graphs and writing equations from tables. And these are linear equations, they make a straight line. So if we look at the first one, the two things we need to write our equation is a slope, otherwise known as m, and a y-intercept known as b. Okay, so let's begin with our slope. So in order to do slope, you would need 2 points on the graph. So I can clearly see that there is a point right here, and there is a point right here. And in order to do slope on a graph, I need to use rise over run. Okay, and so remember, you need to start when you're doing rise over run at your leftmost point, which in this case would be this one here. And so my rise is my up and down value. So I'm going to rise 1, 2 spots would be my rise. And my run would be just simply 1 spot. So my rise over run is 2 over 1 or 2. My y-intercept now, remember, that's where the graph crosses the y-axis. So in this case, my graph crosses the y-axis right here, okay? And this has nothing to do with my slope at all. The y-axis, it crosses, this is 0, 1, 2. It crosses at 2 is my y-intercept. So that's going to be what I would use there. Now, finally, to write the equation, you would write it as y equal mx plus b. So, in this case, it would be y equal your m, your slope is 2, x plus your y-intercept is also 2. This is your final answer. Okay. Secondly, we need to remember how to write equations from tables. That's never going away for you. So let's review. To find slope from a table, you need to use the equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, in this case, we went over this a couple videos ago, but my y2, that's my second y, would be 18 minus my first y of 6. And then over my second x, 0, minus my first x, negative 4, I get 12 over positive 4. If I divide that out, I get 3. That is my slope, or my rate. And then my y-intercept on a table, the y-intercept is where x is 0. So like here, really the point was 0, 2. This point right here where x is 0, that's 0, 18, making 18 where it would cross the y-axis. This our y-intercept would be 18. So using the same model, y equal mx plus b, our final equation for this table would be y equal my slope, 3x, plus my y-intercept, 18. And that would be my final answer. Okay, so I've chosen some questions to go with this exactly, and I've posted them to Google Classroom. If you have trouble getting on Google Classroom, please email me and let me know. I look forward to seeing how this goes. Have a wonderful day. I miss you all.